Hey, it's your good girlfriend, H. Johnson from La Host Beauty. I'm super excited to be standing here in front of you today just to give you an update of where we are and what we've been doing here at La Host Beauty. For those that don't know, about a year ago, October the 11th, I'll never forget the day. Imagine being asleep at 4 o'clock in the morning, and all of a sudden you're getting all these notifications on your phone. I'm thinking at first they were sales that people were buying wigs or hair care products online. And then I looked down and it was money. It was $25, $100, $200, $500, $700. That was leaving the account so fast that my heart leaped out of my chest. I immediately woke up my husband and we cut everything off. And in the process of us cutting everything off, it cut us off from the most valuable people that we have built a community around, and that is you. And so I'm letting you know that we are building back better and stronger since we've been hacked. We've fortified the company. We've brought in experts to advise us and to teach us on how to move forward as a company and to stay in connection with you and to continuously offer you the value that we so love to do. Listen, I know I've said it several times that we're coming back and we're doing this show, and we absolutely have great intentions and we really mean it. But you know what I've learned too through this process? You cannot control what you cannot control. And in some instances, we need to release, let go so that we can embrace the new that God has in store for us. So I'm standing here as a testimony to say that we are bigger, better, and stronger. Oh, and we're fortified. What that means is, honey, we got us some cyber insurance so that we will be well prepared moving forward with our company and better serving you, and that there is no more interruptions. Listen, it's the day we living in. And so what I've learned as well as an entrepreneur, you have to not only pivot, but you have to embrace change, because change is always forever going to be in front of you. Whether you want to change or not, life is changing. And so why don't you change with it and change with us? Our new name is La Host Beauty on TikTok and YouTube. So that's what I'm here asking. Would you please follow me on YouTube and TikTok? It's under La Host Beauty. I promise I'm going to give you value. And if you look, we have loaded a ton of brand new videos that are on our YouTube page. And I would love for you to go check it out. Leave a comment, show your support. Let us know you're still connected to us. You're still with us, because we want to make sure that we're serving you in this day and in this time. And if there's a video you want to see, or a product that you want us to develop, or wigs you want to see us sell, listen, we're here to serve you. So I want to say thank you again. And listen, when you follow me, I'm going to follow you back. I promise I'm going to bring you value. La Host Beauty is back, bigger, better, and stronger. But we need you. Thank you again. And listen, I'm so grateful for you in the role you've played in our company. And that's a valued customer. See you on TikTok and YouTube.